You don't stay broke because you don't earn enough. You stay broke because of habits nobody warned you about. I've watched people making six figures live paycheck to paycheck. I've also watched people on half that income quietly build real wealth. The difference isn't income, it's habits. So today, I'm breaking down the 7 money habits keeping smart people broke and the simple shift that fixes each one. Number 4 is the one almost nobody talks about. Let's get into it. Welcome to Wealth Stack. We help ambitious professionals earn more, save more, invest smarter, and use AI tools to get ahead. If that's your wavelength, hit subscribe. Habit 1. Confusing income with wealth. A high salary feels like wealth. It isn't. Wealth is what stays after you stop working. Income is just fuel, and most people burn the fuel as fast as it arrives. The real measure isn't what you make, it's what you keep, invest, and compound. Here's the shift. Every time you get a raise, route the increase straight into investments before lifestyle catches up. If your raise hits checking, it's gone. If it hits a brokerage, it's wealth. Habit 2. Trying to budget without a system. Most people fail at budgeting because they treat it like a diet. Restrictive, painful, temporary. Real money management isn't a budget. It's a system that runs without willpower. Set up automatic transfers the day your paycheck lands. A percentage to bills, a percentage to investing, a percentage to a guilt-free spending account. You're not budgeting, you're routing. The shift. Stop tracking every dollar. Automate the important ones and stop micromanaging the rest. Habit 3. Lifestyle inflation on autopilot. Every promotion comes with a quiet upgrade. A nicer apartment, a better car, premium subscriptions, fancier dinners. None of these feel reckless on their own. Together, they erase your raise. The data is brutal. A 20% raise often produces zero net wealth gain because lifestyle expanded by 20% to match. The shift. Cap your lifestyle. When income jumps, freeze your fixed costs for 12 months and bank the difference. The first time you do this, your wealth curve breaks free. Habit 4. Optimizing the wrong side of the equation. This is the one almost nobody talks about. Most people obsess over saving on coffee. They cancel a $12 streaming service while ignoring a $4,000 negotiation conversation at work. Saving matters, but earning has no ceiling, and saving does. A salary negotiation, a side income, a freelance offer. These move 10 times more dollars than skipping lattes. The shift. Spend at least as much energy on growing income as you do on cutting expenses. The math is on the income side. Habit 5. Treating investing as scary instead of boring. People delay investing because they think it requires expertise. The truth is the opposite. Boring beats brilliant. A simple low-cost index fund held for 30 years has outperformed most actively managed strategies. Time in the market crushes timing the market. The shift. Pick a simple, automated, diversified setup. A 401k up to your match, a Roth IRA, broad market index funds. And stop touching it. Wealth is built by people who keep showing up, not by people trying to be clever. Habit 6. Using credit as income. Credit cards aren't free money. Buy now, pay later isn't free money. A line of credit isn't an emergency fund. When debt is treated as flexible income, you slowly hand your future paychecks to lenders. A 22% APR is a quiet wealth killer that compounds the wrong direction. The shift. Use credit only when it earns you points on planned spending, and pay it in full every cycle. If you can't pay it in full, you can't afford it. Period. Habit 7. Avoiding the numbers. The single most common habit smart people use to stay broke is simply not looking. Not opening the statements, not tracking net worth, not checking the credit card balance. Avoidance feels like protection. It's the opposite. The numbers don't get worse because you check them. They get worse because you don't. The shift. A 10-minute money review every Sunday. Net worth, balances, upcoming bills, one decision for the week. That's it. The professionals who build wealth are the ones who stay in contact with their numbers every single week. If even one of these habits hit close to home, you already know what to do. The shift isn't dramatic, it's daily. So pick one habit, just one, and change it this week. Subscribe to Wealth Stack so you don't miss the next one, where I break down the salary trap that keeps even high earners stuck. I'll see you in the next video.